don't know if this thing's okay. It's on. This is 63 Corvair, and I'm trying to get the transmission to stop leaking. It looked like the shift shaft seal. This is what they sent me, and it's rather big O-ring. This is the one I found. Quite a difference. This is the one that it uses. I got the pan cleaned up. I got the boot and everything cleaned up. Anyway, I've got two seals. It didn't come with instructions. Nothing does. So, there's a bolt. Well, can't really see it. There it is. You take out that 1/2 inch. See the 1/2 inch? Nope, 7/16. You take out that 7/16. There we go. More focused. And of course, take your linkage off for your shifters. And then this is actually the one that goes up to the cable and shifts it. This is your kick down. And anyway, the O-ring goes after you take the shaft out. You have to take this nut out, actually bolt. Take the bolt out and spread the adapter, and then this all stays together. It'll slide off the shaft. Be careful. Make sure you get this back in on the shift cable up at the top, and then into the shift valve itself. But this is a 63 Corvair, and of course there's no information on this thing that I could find on the internet. So, and no, there's no seal in it. When the shaft goes in here, there's no seal right there. There's an O-ring on the shaft. So that's what I fixed this one with. And everybody's tearing apart their trunks. I put my condensers up here. I put 2 of them. And then I've got the pulleys in the adapter, and then the compressor. This is a Clark's Corvair bracket. I still have to mount the coil back, and there's the compressor. Of course, the engine went up and down a few times to get everything. Put the dryer over here on the side. I put the hoses through the top there. I'm gonna possibly relocate the battery for the air conditioning system, so I can open this up more to get air through there so the condensers are okay. I'm still in test mode on getting the proper flow through the condensers. And there's the inside unit. There's a hole. And I've got a grommet to go in there as well. And then The liquid line I put up in the same hole. The same hole as the speedometer cable. Seemed to get routed pretty good. So it's not the Clark's Corvair kit. You can spend money on that and do that. I'm trying to save as much as I can, as this is going to be my daily driver as soon as I get everything put back together here. I've got an alternator bracket and alternator to put on it to give me a little bit more amperage, and that's it. But those are the two things. Got the pan cleaned up. There was obviously a bracket here. I epoxied it, and now should be alright to go. I'll have to add some kind of a bracket so it doesn't break or have any kind of problems later. Alright, that's it for now. On with the project.